Hello people, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorials about how to edit picture with CapCut by iOS. So here on my project I already have a picture that I want to edit. Before we edit, just make sure the section is active. When we click the picture, the section is being active and the options button below gonna be changed. And I want to edit the pictures, I want to edit the colors, so just looking for the adjust options and click the adjust, and now I can control from the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and etc. So I would like to have like a less bright, so I want to click it and then I want to click here until here it's become darker. And for the contrast, I will make it contrast. And for the saturation, I will make it like cooler. And you can do just the same way on the other options. Just adjust it until you get the pictures that you really want. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching.